Hello everyone, my name is Mariana Vega and I am going to talk about Fullmetal Alchemist. Here you can see our agenda. First, I will tell you about the story of Fullmetal Alchemist, the background of the Elder Brothers, and I'll tell you a little bit of Father and the Homunculi. And finally, I will come up with a conclusion which is always one of the best animes of all time. Well, I want to start the presentation with a quote from the intro. Humankind cannot gain anything without first giving something in return. To obtain something of equal value must be lost. That's alchemy's first law of equivalent exchange. And for me, these are words to live by because if you really want something, you need to work hard for it. You need to sacrifice something that will help you to achieve your goal. The original name of the anime is Agane no Renki Hunsochi. It is written and illustrated by Hiromu Arakawa. The world of FMA is the style of the Industrial Revolution back in Europe, and it is also set in a fictional universe in which alchemy is the master of all sciences. And the story follows the two elder brothers, Alphonse and Edward, who are searching for a philosopher's stone so they can restore their bodies after a failed attempt to bring back to life their deceased mother. Now you might be wondering, but who are the Elric brothers? Well, they are the sons of Trisha Elric and Man Hohenheim. Their first years were quite happy until their father left. But after that, the boys began to display a talent for alchemy, which made their mom really happy because that meant that they were following their father's steps. Unfortunately, the time passed and Trisha passed away. While in mourning, the two of them vow that they will find a way to bring back to life their mother by using alchemy. And after years of research, they discovered the basics to a forbidden practice, which is called a human transmutation. But unfortunately, the transmutation resulted in a rebound, which caused them Alphonse's whole body and Edward's right leg. When Ed couldn't find Al anywhere in the room where they performed the transmutation, he sacrificed his left arm so he can have his brother's soul back. And after that, he bound Al's soul in an arm. Well, now I'll tell you a little bit of Father and the Homunculi. Father is the main villain in the FMA world. He was the first one to ever create a Philosopher's Stone, and a Philosopher's Stone is so you can overpass the power, the law of equivalent exchange. If you have a Philosopher's Stone, you have the power of God. If you want to say it that way, you can create something from nothing. The sad part is that the Philosopher's Stone is made by sacrificing millions of human lives. And it all started in Xerxes, where it was born. I call him Ant because he was this cloud that know everything. In the seek of perfection, he tried to purify himself from the 7 deadly sins, so he made 7 homunculi by using a philosopher's stone, each one of them, and they represented all the 7 deadly sins. Here you can see envy, greed, pride, gluttony, lust, sloth, and wrath. In conclusion, Fullmetal Alchemist is one of the best animes of all time because it has taught me a lot of things, such as to work hard for what you want, never give up, and mostly to keep moving forward. I want to end the presentation with a quote that ends the whole series. A lesson without pain is meaningless. That's because no one can gain without sacrificing something. But by enduring that pain and overcoming it, he shall obtain a powerful, unmatched heart. A full metal heart. And I think that I have a heart made full metal because thanks to the series, I know I can overcome everything that life throws at me. Thank you so much.